How are you recently? How are you recently? Where are you going? Where are you going? I think the bigger one is better. I think the bigger one is better. You set me up. You set me up. He slept 9 hours. He slept 9 hours. Let me know if you can come. Let me know if you can come. Me too. Me too. How long have you been unemployed? How long have you been unemployed? He is on a diet. He is on a diet. Let's meet at the hotel. Let's meet at the hotel. Would you open the door for me, please? Would you open the door for me, please? Easy come, easy go. Easy come, easy go. Can I use this bike? Can I use this bike? Where should we meet? Where should we meet? You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm ready. I'm ready. I don't have time. I don't have time. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. Do you drive to work? Do you drive to work? Yes, I suppose so. Yes, I suppose so. Good job. Good job. What time do we meet? What time do we meet? Do you see it? Do you see it? He felt like crying. He felt like crying. I don't like it. I don't like it. What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? Hurry up. Hurry up. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. We are really in a rush. We are really in a rush. We met here. We met here. I promise. I promise. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? I decline. I decline. How did you meet each other? How did you meet each other? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time.